What's going on, everyone? This is Slackerman with another diecast model review. Today we are looking at the Northrop Grumman. Apparently they make their own diecast models. I got this from Japan, but this is the 1 in 144 scale F-14D Super Tomcat, the VF2 Bounty Hunters. So let's take a look. As far as the packaging, it comes in a really cool shoebox-like packaging. So you have F-14D, Tomcat, U.S. Navy, VF2 Bounty Hunters. You do get a few pieces to put it in flight mode to basically cover the wheel compartment if you want the gear up. As far as the model itself, this is a really cool line of diecast models. So far I only have two, this and then the YF-23 black. Is it the Black Widow or Gray Ghost? I have the Gray Ghost, but they're really nicely detailed. The biggest thing is that they include two pilots, which especially in the 1 in 144 scale, usually you don't get pilots. Even in bigger scales, like 1 in 100, you don't get pilots. So it's really cool that they actually included two pilots, and they're nicely painted. The level of detail, as you can see, is really good. All of the different line work and panels and all that stuff is nicely done. You even have the chromed out leading edges for the wings. That's what the vertical stabilizer insignia is, just a little skull. So that's pretty cool. Taking a look at the nose section, you have the black kind of paint. Then on the side, this one isn't too pronounced, but you have the 20mm cannon right there. I really like the ordnance you get with this. You get a Phoenix missile on the side, as well as a Sidewinder. And then this has, because it's a F-14D, a Super Tomcat, it has the laser-guided bombs. And then on the other pylon, you have, I think that's like a lantern pod, and then another Sidewinder. So the underside is nicely done. The engines, they did a really good job on the engine compartment too. My camera can't really see in it too well here, but the actual afterburners are sculpted in really nice, and then the nozzles are really cool too. You can fold out the wings, so if I can do it one-handed, they do go out pretty far. They go out further than that. I'm just doing this one-handed, but you can get them all the way out to the side. So that's another cool feature. Obviously, if you have a F-14 Tomcat diecast model, you obviously want the wings to extend, the swing wings to extend. So overall, a really cool model. This is super hard to find. I don't even think they make this in the United States, even though it's a Northrop Grumman licensed product, they say. I can only find these in Japan and China. And like I said, as far as like 144 scale models, I think that they're probably the best. I even like this one more than my Century Wings 1 in 144 Tomcat, and usually Century Wings is like the top of the line for diecast models. So definitely search eBay. That's how I found this one. Again, it'll be hard to find a decent seller. I was like most of the sellers in China. I found one that was in Japan. That's how I was able to get this one, and then the Gray Ghost, the YF-23. But overall, a really cool model, especially if you're into this scale, the 1 in 144 scale. This is probably my favorite scale for diecast models. So definitely just search eBay 1 in 144 F-14D Tomcat. You can even type in the Northrop Grumman in the name, and this should pop up. So again, hope everyone liked the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.